In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Hostinger password quickly and easily. Whether you've forgotten your credentials or just want to secure your account with a stronger password, this guide will walk you through step by step. First, open your browser and head over to hostinger.com. At the top right corner, click the login button. If you remember your current password, sign in as usual. But if you've forgotten it, don't worry. Simply click the Forgot Password link on the login page. Enter the email address linked to your Hostinger account and hit Send Reset Link. Now, check your email inbox. You should receive a reset link from Hostinger. If it's not there, make sure to also check your spam or promotions folder. Click on the reset link and you will be taken to a page where you can create a new password. Choose something strong. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and special characters. Once you've typed your new password, re-enter it to confirm. Then click Save. You'll see a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. From here, go back to the login page. Enter your email with the new password and you're good to go. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Hostinger password. Remember, keeping your password secure is key to protecting your website and account. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Hostinger tips and tutorials.